Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do to get your PC back up and running if you're ever stuck with the blue screen of death errors. Let's begin. First, I want you to access the recovery screen like this. So go ahead, restart your computer and as it's turning off, before it boots back up, go ahead, hold down a key like F8, F9, F10, or Shift. Different computers use different keys, so try them out until you land on the recovery screen. Step 2 is to run the startup repair. Once you're there, click on Troubleshoot over here, then Advanced Options, and select Startup Repair. Choose your account, enter your password if needed, and let Windows diagnose and fix the problem. Step number 3 is to use the system restore if necessary. So if any of those did not fix anything at all, you can go back to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and this time select System Restore. Pick a restore point, click Next, and make sure to follow the steps. It will automatically roll your system back to when everything was working fine. And that's it. For most of you, startup repair will solve the problem right away. But System Restore is a great backup indeed. I hope you found this video very helpful.